Are you having problems with Messenger story not showing up? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to actually, instead of going into my Messenger app, I'm going to go into my Facebook app instead, because Facebook is connected to Messenger, just as you know probably. So go into that Facebook account that you actually have connected to your Messenger, and now when you have actually taken to this page right here, then what you need to do is to click where it says menu, and that is in the bottom right corner. So click on menu, and in here you can actually just scroll down. So I'm just going to scroll down in here and then click where it says help and support. So click on help and support, and then in here you need to click where it says reports a problem. So click on reports a problem, and then once again click on reports a problem in here, and then we can click on include and report in here. And then I'm just going to search for if there is stories. So search for stories and click here. Perfect. As you can see, you're now taken to this page right here. What you can do is to write something like this to Facebook: my stories on Messenger is not showing up. Please fix this, because this is a very important function for me. So you can write something like this: my stories on Messenger is not showing up. Please fix this, because this is a very important function for me. You can even take a screenshot, as you can see, but I don't think you have to. You just have to like basically explain to them that you have problems with your Instagram, with the Messenger not showing up basically. So yeah, you can write something like this and then click on send in the top right corner. So yeah, hopefully after this you have actually sent this to Facebook, then Facebook Messenger will actually be fixed for you. It's no guarantee, unfortunately, but hopefully this will be fixed for you. So yeah, this is what you can actually do. What you can also try to do is to go into your Messenger account and then log out of your Messenger and then log back in again, if you know, of course, the login details. So yeah, basically this is what you can actually do to try to make this work again. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.